Players get to know their teammates in this warm-up we call the name game. Use a half-court size space. Here's how it looks. The whole team stands in a circle with one ball.
This is a really good opportunity for us to warm up our brains and learn our teammates' names.
The game starts when you pass the ball to another player in the circle. They say their name before passing to a different player. Once everyone in the circle has gotten a turn to introduce themselves, switch up the rules and ask players to say the name of the player they're passing to before sending them the ball.
I'm going to pass it to Travis, but I'm going to say Travis's name. So Travis is going to pass it to Elijah.
Remind players to make eye contact with the teammate they're passing to. In basketball, communication is key. And you can't communicate on the court unless you know all your teammates' names.
Awesome. Do you think we can add a second ball?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it.